Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special phone Volvo S80 1996 to 26 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface, and it comes with special harness with canvas box. You can check this connector, plug and play. You can check Volvo is 80. Okay, it comes with screws. Okay, let me show head unit. You can check their button, back, home button, beauty make and reset home. Let me check setting. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose logo, Belsee or Volvo. You can change the logo. Have you choose Belsee. This same editor, you can change this color. Any color you can change in this panel. Right. Okay. Oh, it's here. This amplifier DSP and it's built in Google Maps and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. And this vehicle information, it will display this fuel warning and other. You can check this original information. It's the link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, let me check the settings. You can check posting the setting, LED settings. You can change this button color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Blue. Okay. Back. And about motion, you can check PX6, Android 1, Android 10 system. Storage, you can check 64 GB. Okay. Back to home. You can long press. You can choose the app. Like Bluetooth, and let me check settings. This pin number 40. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. This Bluetooth. Okay. Click search. Okay, it's searched phone. Click pair. Your phone will get the message. Please put the 401234. Click OK. Let me check. One, two, three, four. Okay, connected. show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth and streaming music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. Okay. The header unit comes with two USB cables. This USB driver connects one with USB. Device mode. Okay, this you can play music automatically. Okay, this DSP amplifier. Sub control. EQ. You can adjust sound balance. Okay, this DSP you can play video. Video disabled for your safety. You need to set it in the settings. Find the settings. Choose the car settings, driver settings, turn on the watching video, and play video game. Choose USB. It's supposed to play 4K video. Okay. You can download the applications from Play Store. This is the link for wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Back to home. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please visit our website belsee.com, Belse.com. Okay, thank you.